Hey everyone, this is Jeffrey Jones, a spokesman for the BOXXmen.com, where we have changed the way that you should watch TV. Our website is www.theboxxmen.com. We are the BOXXmen.com, and in this video, I'm gonna show you how Privado VPN keeps your speeds at an optimal level when using it. Hey guys, I am back. Thank you for tuning in into this video as we take a look at Privado VPN. If this is your first time, maybe you're a returning person to the YouTube platform, maybe on the Rumble or even Odyssey platform, I just want to give you a big thumbs up for being a part of that. And hopefully this video, you'll find some type of information that you find valuable. And you can always hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. So when I put out some content like this, moving forward in this year, you're going to want to stay connected. Now, when it comes to virtual private networks or VPNs, there are tons of them. Now, I'm not making any money by offering Privado, but I try a lot of different things because I like talking about streaming. One of the biggest downfalls, or I should say tensions for people that use a VPN, or I should say use a media device, is the fact that when they use a VPN, their speeds drop dramatically, which is normal, but they say they're not very consistent. Now, I have used IPVanish, I have used Proton, and Privado offers not only a free VPN, but also a paid VPN. So let me go to their website first, and then I'll show you what I mean on this device on how it keeps the speeds up while adding all the other benefits that come along with it. Now, in one of my last videos, I talked about the privacy and things that are available that you want performance plus privacy. And I went to PrivadoVPN.com, and it says that I'm exposed. I'm not really exposed. I don't know why it says that, but I don't have the app on my computer, but I have it on my box. So here's the deal that they have there. You can see the Trustpilot is available for all those. 24 months of VPN. Let me turn on this really fast. All right. Saved 90%. I think at one time I bought it for 5 years. And it's $1.11 a month. And you can see the unlimited data, unlimited devices, servers in 61 cities, streaming support, up to 10 connections, zero log, ad blocker. Look at the ad blocker, threat prevention, parental controls, all of that. It shows you where it's recommended by. So I want to get, why do you need a VPN? Of course, online security, as I was saying in the last video. It's not about just the performance of your media box, but also about the privacy. So you protect yourself from hackers with our secure VPN. It includes all your browsing apps, get everything encrypted, malware protection, internet privacy. One of the things that a lot of us are fighting for is privacy. But when you're on the internet, you give that up sometimes. So it says Privado VPN never logs your online activity or shares it with third parties. Defeat censorship, access restricted online content, and stop governments and corporations from censoring your content. In other words, let's say I want to watch Netflix, but I want to watch it in the UK. I can turn on my VPN here, which I'll show in another video. Connect to my my Netflix account. It will automatically go to the UK because it's connected to the UK, and I can watch their content without being censored. Here's the holiday deals and all that. I'm going to go on down. You can go to their website and look at that. And I just really like the free VPN. Here's a good one. If you don't have the money for a VPN, you can sign up for a free VPN. Right there it says no other free VPN offers as much as Privado VPN free service. You can sign up now, download any of the apps, and you'll get access to 30 days, 12 global servers, and all of that. So I like the fact that it's all about super fast VPN speeds. It's also about no logging. It's just about your privacy and how you can connect. Because if you're streaming on an Amazon Fire Stick, on an Android TV box, on an Apple TV box, it's about privacy plus performance. And what comes along with that, what we found out, is most people think that it's all speed related. It is not all speed related. It should be a mixture of both. It should offer the privacy that it offers, but also offers the top speeds. Now, normally when you have a VPN, it affects your speed significantly. Like one of my VPNs will drop me down to 14 megabits down per second download speed. I have 700 gigs, 700 download speed. Now on this router from Verizon, I suppose to get some top speeds, but it's okay. I just want to show you how Privado works. So I have it on my device. Let me get rid of this right here. So I'm going to go down here. You'll see at the third level where it says Privado VPN. Now you can see that I am connected to Atlanta. If I go by country, you can go by best location. Click on that. You can go by country, by city, by speed, or by favorites. So my favorites, what are my favorites here? I don't think I have any. I got United States, Los Angeles, United States, Miami, but right now I'm connected to Atlanta. So I'm definitely connected to Atlanta. Now, when I'm on the home page, I want to show you something on the home page. If I go to settings, if I go down to here to settings here, you can auto connect if you like. Now you want to turn these on some automatic. It's usually on that where it lets PrivadoVPN automatically choose the best protocol or switch off to choose myself. Now you can look up some of these protocols, which I have. I'm going to go with WireGuard. Now, WireGuard balances speed and security. It's the best way to protect your data integrity and keep speeds high. If I chose this one, it would say secure your device with the fastest connection. And then there's OpenVPN, which I use on my other one. If I click on that, now you're going to be setting up some protocols, which I'll do in another video. But for this video and for time's sake, I'm going to choose WireGuard because I like it a lot. Then I'm going to go ahead and go back, and then I'm probably going to have to reconnect. So I'm going to let it reconnect to Atlanta because I chose something else, and now I'm connected. You'll see that I'm connected because it gave me an IP address. That is my IP address on my VPN. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and hit the home button. And to track the speed, I have a speed test called, Speed Test Wi-Fi Analyzer Analytics. It's one of the best out there. I'm going to click on it. And usually VPNs, if I'm above, let's look at what it does. Which is not bad. 66, 67 or whatnot. That's not bad. I can get 4K UHD, 1080 gaming, 1080 full HD, almost 8K with that speed there. That's not bad. Let me test one more time to see if I can get a different ping and a different result. And I'm going to see if I can change the server that it will change anything. But I am almost 80 download speed. Look, this is going up a lot more. Looks like it might creep up. I'm at 70. 66, not bad. I really like this because that's plenty of speed on that's a Wi-Fi network on a Verizon router that sits in my garage as an extra router. That's not bad. So that's really good speed. So let me finish out the video by changing to another server, and then we'll go ahead and close out the video. I just want to show you. So let's go here, and I'm gonna go. Let's go Toronto, Canada. How's that? So we're going to go that. Now you see I have a new IP address. So let's check out Toronto, Canada and see what it does here. Sorry. Oh, man. Let me go back out and go to Analytics. And let's see if I can get a different speed. So I've been in Toronto, Canada. I've used Mexico City. This might be a little slower because the ping is a little lower. Yeah, but look how far away that is in Toronto, Canada. That's still enough speed Wi-Fi at almost 50. That's not bad at all, given that the fact that it's doing really well. So I wanted to show you this because if you don't have a VPN, I'm not making any money. I'll put their link in the description. Hey, get the free VPN because you can't go wrong having a good VPN. You just simply can't. And I hope that you'll take a look at this and try Privado. Let's try one more before I go. I am just going to try really hard. So I'm going to go, let's go by speed. Let's do speed here. So we got Australia, we got Canada. I'm going to go, let's go Mexico City. So I'm going to go Mexico City, and then I'm going to close out the video. I love doing this because you can find different things all the time. So now I'm going to do the video here, or the speed test here. And this looks pretty good because I got pinged at 9. So it might be a little higher. And I'm about to drop to 7. Still good. I'm in another country on Wi-Fi getting 63 megabits download speed. Not bad. I've even had it where it's gone up to 100, almost 100, depending on the day and time. So I just want to make this video. I hope it was helpful. Check out Privado. They're pretty awesome, and they provide all that privacy, ad blocking. And if you're on a formula, which I am on a Z11 Pro Max, which we sell at theboxman.com, go ahead and check it out. Let me know in the description, or not the description, but the comments, which VPN you use and why. Thank you so much for watching. Have a beautiful Sunday.